Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are going to see that how we can use the read out loud option in Microsoft 365. So for the purpose, you have to see on the command bar and then you have to select the more commands. Click on there and this dialog box will open and you have to select the quick access toolbar. Select quick access toolbar and then choose all commands. So all the commands for Microsoft 365 will be shown here. You have to see or search for the speak option. Or click anywhere and then press S. It will take you directly to the all the commands starting from S. So search for here for speak, select speak command and then click on add. So it will be added and now click OK. So now it will be a part of the command bar. So now select the text you want to read out loud. Select the whole text. Click on speak.
Alginate lyase is essential enzyme which is used for the production of alginate oligosaccharides, AOS, that have special biological activities and is broadly used in various disciplines like in medicines, food as well as in chemical industry. Alginate lyase, also known as alginases as well as alginate depolymerases, which is used to catalyze the degradation of alginate by beta elimination of glycosidic bonds, 1,4-O linkage between monomers. Alginate lyase obtained from various sources like fungal, algal but mostly bacterial sources are used.
I hope that you would like this tutorial of read out loud in Microsoft 365. See you later.